Hi, I'm Dave Granger, and I'd like to welcome you to the Guilds Classics. This is a YouTube channel that showcases the various skills, talents, and crafts that the employees here use to restore people's cars.
Well, I've been into cars my whole life. Come from a large family. My brothers had hot rods. We went to stock car races, drag races. I've spent pretty much my whole life doing something with cars. Well, the Hot Rod Tour, this is our fourth year. It grew out of some ideas that we had. A small group of guys in Windsor wanted to do a little touring around, and we started 4 years ago with about 20 participants. And this year we've expanded to 4 days, and we're about 75 or 80 cars here today. So we started in London, came to Newmarket, made some stops at a couple of hot rod shops on the way here, in the Guelph area, Caledon. Tomorrow we will be headed more towards what we call the Trees and Rocks Day. We'll be headed over towards Bobcaygeon, back down through Fenelon Falls, hit the cruise night in Keswick coming back, and Sunday we'll be going back to Kitchener to the Highwayman's Car Show. We'll end the cruise there this year. It was really nice of David to take his time today and meet and greet a lot of people personally. It was really enjoyable.
If you enjoyed that, we would really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. And well, if you'd like to listen to me drone on and on and on, you can go to our podcast listed below.